Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making the system safe and visible. Kill the engine, disconnect the battery negative, and remove panels to expose the throttle housing and cables. Once done, clean grime away so fasteners are visible. This prevents dirt falling into controls. Now loosen the housing screws just enough to inspect the cable ends and the throttle tube. You're doing this because dirt or worn edges change feel and cause sticking. Getting clear access first saves time and prevents damage. You now adjust and inspect. Back off the lock nut, then turn the adjuster until you reach the specified free play, typically 2 to 3 millimeters at the grip. This ensures idle control and prevents lugging. While adjusting, pull the throttle and watch cable movement. Smooth travel means proper routing and lubrication, while snags indicate frays or binding that require replacement. Make sure return springs are seated and the tube snaps back fully, because weak springs cause sticking and unsafe throttle response. You finish by reassembling panels and reconnecting the battery, then start the bike and check idle and throttle response at low RPMs. Once satisfied, take a short, controlled test ride to confirm smooth acceleration and full return. This validates your adjustments under load. If the throttle remains sticky or rough, stop and check cable routing and lubrication, and replace the cable if any frays or rough spots remain. Do this because a compromised cable can fail unexpectedly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.